Hi, I'm Grant Broom, and today I'm going to be giving you a demo of Labrador. Now, Labrador is a guided accessibility testing tool, and if you're interested in making your accessibility testing faster, more efficient, and more robust, then this might be the tool for you. So the first thing we're going to do is hit Start Your Next Project. We're going to enter a project title. So here I'm going to enter Welsh Water, which is the site that I'm going to be looking at, and create project. And then, of course, we've got to add some pages to our sample. So the first thing I'm going to do is add the home page. So that'll be home. And the URL I'm going to take from the Welsh Water website, which is this, and create a page. So now I've got my first page in my test set. If I wanted to add pages to this, I can simply go to add a page. And I'm going to call this the our services page, and we've created another page. So you can see how by doing this, we can build up a test sample or a test plan for Welsh Water, and we can include all the pages that we need in our sample and start testing from here. So if I go into the home page, you can see that I've got a list of all the WCAG single A and double A testing criteria, and you'll be able to move through these different tests and you'll be able to record the results of each of these. Now, this will replace your Excel spreadsheets and your Word documents, because when you click within here, you'll be able to see that you can add a pass, fail, not applicable if this type of content isn't applicable to the page, and untested report in here. So we're going to start off by looking at non-text content. So this is images. I checked the site. I could see that there are no issues with non-text content in here, and I can save that. I can also go into a detailed view. And what this does is allows me to add some screenshots and some other information to the test. So say that I did find an accessibility issue with images on the site, I could hit fail. I could mark the severity as normally that's going to be quite high, maybe critical, and the remediation status is reported. So this just means that I've reported this particular issue. I can say here that there is no accessible alternative text to the logo image. And then I can add an attachment. I can choose my file or drag and drop. So I've added my file in here. That serves as a way of somebody retesting this to go and see whether this has been amended or not. And I can put some additional notes in here as well. Up here, we can see that everything has saved automatically, and then I can go on to the next issue. Now, on this page, I know that there is no audio or video only content on here, so I can put this as not applicable and then move on to the next issue. Now, if I know that there's no audio video anywhere on the site, there's a really fast way that I can record that. So if I go to overview and then go to batch select, I can mark all of these as not applicable. And once I've done that, I've marked each of those different criteria as not applicable for the entire product, which is going to save me a lot of time. Now, if I want to view a summary of my report, I can go to the summary option at the top of the screen, view this in HTML, which of course is the most accessible format. And I can see a summary of my information, the project name, who created the report, the created date, the version, and I can add tools in a different section when we're creating the reports, so they can be showed here too. And then we've got a summary of the different pages and their pass or fail status. Below that, we can see the detailed results per page. So here are the list of results that have been recorded. I can click this button and show failures only, and that'll show anything that I've recorded as being a fail. So as you can see, it's a very simple interface, very neat and tidy, very good at recording your accessibility issues and keeping them in one place. So that's a very quick overview of Labrador. If you're interested in finding out more, follow us. It's currently in beta, and we're going to be adding more and more useful features as time goes on. So please join the program, and we look forward to seeing you soon.